This is how to locate the evap system on a 2011 Honda CBR 600RR. Right here, I've removed the fuel tank. Working on removing the filter housing, and it should be somewhere underneath here. You take off the filter cover, which is going to be this guy. Take it off, disconnect these guys. You want to put paper towels into the intake so nothing falls into your engine. The main falls in your engine, you're screwed. These guys come off, there's 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Just pull it out. This is what it looks like when you're complete with your next step. And of course, you have to remove the fuel tank. And this is for Graves AIS, or I believe it's evap, emission system control, which is no good. You also want to cap this guy right here. Helps increase your dyno tuning results, and the dyno tune results. And this guy just pulls straight up the bottom of the filter and intake housing. You're gonna need to remove these 2 hoses. That's what's, well, keeping it on. And this is your system that you want to block off. It's right back there. We'll get to that in the next clip or break. The last thing you'll want to remove is this blue clip right here. So you just pull back, pop out, and now you're home free. Voila. Next, you're gonna remove this guy right here. Right in here, that hole over there, this is an 8mm screw or socket. It has thread sealant in it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they're really hard to get out. And there's 2 more right in there, and then in there that you get off. And at that point, you're gonna put your Graves plates on, and I'll get to that in a second. For the inside, 8mm, just grab a long extension socket, do it to the other side over here too, and then it'll pull up. All right, now we're onto the Graves plates. You just do everything in reverse. You see how there's a notch here and a notch there? You're gonna slip this. Whoop. You're gonna slip this like so, with the groove lined up here and here. And then just do it in reverse. Attach these 2 screws, tighten them down, torque them down with proper torque specifications, and do everything in reverse. Now remember, this is the tube that we're gonna plug up. We're gonna cap off inside the air filter box. And this one gets attached as normal. Thank you for watching, Team Rustine. Stay tuned for more videos, like replacing this guy right here. Or doing the quick shifter or power commander. Subscribe if you like. Thank you. Actually, please subscribe. First video. Thanks.